What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be getting a quick view of the Villas 2 at JW Marriott's Resort in Palm Springs. This is a massive timeshare property, and while most people have timeshare to book the property, you don't need one to book this property. There are two different villas, Villas 1 and Villas 2. The first is on the right side of the property while the Villas 2 is on the left. They are different, and this one we are reviewing Villas 2. It's going to be a quicker video just because they don't have that much on the property since it is a timeshare property. The room we had was located in the back of the property. It was nice, it was quiet, it was serene. One king, a queen, and two couch beds. Usually it is though a one king and two queens and a couch bed though. It is what you get though, it is a villa. The gym is pretty small, but I believe you can also use the JW's gym too. If you are in Villas 1, there are pools around, but the main pool is the Palmaris pool. We did not go into the pools while we were there, but the Palmaris pool is nice. The food is a bit pricey, but it's nice. It's nice to get the service. It has a lot of activities daily. There's not much to the property since it is a villa timeshare, but there's more outside to do. You can go golf at the JW, and they also have a few restaurants at the JW, but this is just a Villas 2 review, so it's not a JW review. I would recommend going hiking, going into El Paseo. The town is a lot of fun, a lot of nice restaurants there. You'll get a lot more experience there. Moving on to rating the whole experience, for the first category of the location, it is a 9 out of 10. It's in the Palm Desert, located right off the highway. It's a drive to downtown though, which can either require you need a rental car or Uber, so that's kind of -1. For the service, I thought it was an 8 out of 10. Everyone is extremely friendly at the property, but there's no daily housekeeping, and you don't really run into much service at all, since it is all self-serve at a villa. For the food, I thought it was a 7 out of 10. On property, you'll either be making your own food, or you'll be going to the pools and paying $20 for the hot dog. Pricing is outrageous. Lastly, for the room, I thought it was a 5 out of 10. The room was somewhat disappointing. I've stayed at the villas a lot growing up since my parents did have a timeshare here. Never once did they not have two queens and a king. This time it was two couch beds, a queen and a king. Not only that, the rooms were pretty dirty. The floors made your feet black, and well, the whole place felt poorly cleaned. But from the last time I stayed here, it was an updated room. As for the bonus category, there's going to be no bonus points, but the bonus is you can walk over to the JW and have an excellent property experience without staying on their property for the outrageous prices they charge. For the total, the Desert Springs Villas 2 scored a 29 out of 40. This is a solid place to stay with friends, and for those in college or just getting out of college, you can fit a bunch of people, say 8 people, into a large room comfortably with all beds or couch beds and have all self-service food and drinks. And pricing wise, it's not bad too. I think you can get this villa. You can get these villas around $400 to $600 a night, which split up against 6 to 8 people, all sleeping in beds, is not a good. And you can use your Marriott points on some dates too, but I wouldn't, since it would give you a poor value for your points. All in all, what do you think of the video? Have you stayed at any of the villas in Palm Desert? Have you ever been to Palm Desert? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.